It's good thing that you told me.
We have to make our boundary,
Yes.
and they have to respect that.
Lakshman Rekha.
Ah,
Lakshman Rekha में बोलता है.
Lakshman Rekha.
You know, in old days, Ram's wife Sita
Sita, yes.
and somebody and her husband's brother, I don't know what, dear was it,
Okay.
brother-in-law.
Ah, okay.
तो उसने बोला कि यहाँ पर परिस्थिति अच्छी नहीं है,
Hmm.
तो ये मैं सर्कल बना देता हूँ,
हाँ.
उसमें से बाहर मत निकलो.
Okay.
उसने बाहर निकला, लेकिन the Dhanava and the god, there is a fight. So he became, you know, what do you call, beggar.
Ah.
Brahmin, widow, Diksha. So Sita had a soft heart. So she crossed the boundary. And then they Dhanava, meaning, I don't know how we call it, opposite to the god. He just took her away. And then there was a war between Dhanava and the Lord Rama took the help of the monkey
Hanuman.
Hanuman.
Lord Hanuman.
Lord Hanuman.
Ah,
And then
yes.
Hanuman freed the Sita for Rama.
Yes.
See, as you go on and read more, think more, you become wiser.
Yes.
There is no difference between us and the wiser. They make mistake also, we make mistake. They are not God, we are not God, but
Right.
we try to be a good human being. And when we were talking like this to somebody else, he told me, he said, "Vipin, if all people are like this in the world, there is no war. There is no nothing, you know, everything. But see, he said, some people are bloody greedy.
Ah,
Now-
yes.
Trump and Modi used to be very good friends.
Right.
But he wants Nobel Prize, so he lies everywhere that I stop this, I stop that.
Right.
And Modi doesn't say anything. Because Modi knows that he didn't do anything. But in the political language, you can't say you are a liar.
Mm-hmm.
But by gesture, he says the message that the India-Pakistan war is stopped by the Pakistani general. He called my general and say, right, enough is enough.
Uh-huh.
So then they stopped. So Modi says, if the general talk to each other, not anybody else, includes Trump.
Right.
But if he says that Trump is lying, then it's not a diplomatic language. So Trump knows also. So he said that why Modi is against me. Modi is not against him, but Modi is against his lies.
Right.
So he said, I'm going to put 200% traffic tariff and this and that.
Oh.
So Modi has started negotiations with the Chinese and the Russians.
Russia, yes.
Now we are free. You do what you like.
Right. Yes.
And he doesn't like the Indians buying the oil also from Russia.
Right.
But he said, for my nation, I have to see their benefit. I am a Prime Minister of India.
Right.
So it is my right to do
Yes.
that. And you cannot dictate me the terms. All right, we won't use your dollar. We do rupees and rubles.
Yes.
So they understood. So now he is worried about the dollar.
He should be one.
First used to be
Yes.
dollar all over the world. Now the balance of power is gone.
Right.
So that's what West is worried about. Now every politician is coming to London. From previously, people used to go from here to your president's job was so big at one stage that if Indian wanted to talk to them, they used to go to London and Americans used to come to London and talk to each other. Now everything is reversed. Modi comes here directly, I mean, Trump comes here directly. Jimmy Carter used to come here.
Oh,
Foreign Secretary once.
Vance.
Yes. I forgot his initial name, but I know Vance.
Oh, yes.
I'm very well across politics with everyone. I know that he is a peanut farmer, Jimmy Carter. He had a vast amount of land.
Yes.
So as Kennedy family.
So, Jimmy Carter, he lived in Georgia.
Yeah, Georgia. Yeah.
And Georgia is one of the top peanut producers. Very famous.
That's why he came here to make deal also, along with the presidency.
Yes.
He can business also. Trump is doing the same. Trump
Yes.
is not business, politician. He
No.
upsets everyone.
Right.
That's why he is not popular. He doesn't adhere to the code of the politics. He just says what he thinks.
Right.
Make deals. That's his business.
And he is very impulsive.
Yes.
His behavior is like a child.
No.
Impulsiveness.
No, that looks to us.
Yes, when he
Because we
talks
don't
about-
understand the big philosophy. Otherwise, if he is a mad and child like a child, he can't have Trump Tower
No,
and
that's not, no.
business acumen.
The thing about Trump, you have noticed when the people have been loyal to him, how much he gives them.
Yes,
If suddenly a word is said against him,
yes.
everything he has made for you crumble to the ground. He will destroy
But
you.
you don't like that, do you? If somebody says against you, would you like it? So why should he
It's-
like?
It's not about like, it's about truth. There is truth being told, but he will not.
Truth is a relative term.
To him, yes, definitely,
To me
yes.
also, the truth is relative term. It's the way you look at it.
Okay.
I had a quarrel with my nephew for 30 years in the court.
Oh, 30 years.
Yes, and then I sold my sugar plant
Oh,
last year.
oh
I
wow.
explained to him so much, but he wouldn't understand this, the difference in mentality.
Right.
Then I said, Deepak, why don't you sell it and make crores like me? We get.
Right.
Because I made other deals also.
Okay.
So I said that you have a big flat and you will have 3 or 4 crore in your hand.
Right.
So you will not work all together and your son also. Say that no, Kaka, you just I said okay. Then why don't you sell it? So he said, why should I sell it? उनको बैठो जो सब चढ़ा दीजिए. Then I told him that I'll have to do something.
Oh.
Within 1 year, I sold the land with 3.5 crore.
Wow.
And then he told, well, I told him as a nephew, I said, look, I sold my land, and I have nothing to do with land. If the new owner knows, the people who have approved, those, the judges who have given me the judgment knows. So you and your society fight with the other, not with me, I'm out. He also knows this.
Right.
But then those who have got a bigger money power win.
Ah,
It's
yes.
everywhere.
Yes.
Even in London you can give price. You can give bribe in America.
Right.
You can give bribe in Maduro's country openly.
Yes.
So it is thinking of giving it to some, I am like an angel, to some I am a rascal, because those who are near to my nephew, they will think I am a rogue.
Oh.
So do that way. If the 95% people are saying living is good,
Right.
then I would be accepting that, and 5% is not. Because you can't just please 100% society. There will be some critical critic behind you.
Ah, yes. Always.
Mhm.
Correct.